So we're working on this 2009 Honda Fit, and now we're gonna be doing the map lights. Okay, so these use the 28 millimeters festoons, and we have already replaced them on this vehicle, as you can see already. So this is how they look when they're replaced. You can see it's a lot much brighter than the stock halogens. So in comparison, let me get a halogen right now for you. As you can see, this is your stock bulb, and pretty easy to remove. Okay, simple as that. And this is your stock bulb. There we go. So that's the stock halogen, and this is LED. You can tell there's a big difference there. Okay, so same thing. So now just pretty much pop the old one back out. Easy as that. Make sure when you do this, make sure you have your car off and it hasn't been on, okay, or else these will get really hot and they burn. So be careful with that. Make sure you always work with the power off, and then simply pop in your new one. There you go. Okay, so if you have any questions, please let us know. We're more than happy to help you out, and thank you for watching. Just don't forget to put on your caps back on, okay? There you go.